Want to sell on TikTok but don't know where to start? Today, I'm giving you a complete walkthrough of TikTok's interface, both mobile and desktop, so you can navigate like a pro. Let's get into it. Here's something most people don't realize. TikTok's interface is 90% identical to Douyin, China's version of TikTok. Same algorithm, same interaction design. This means if you understand TikTok's layout, you're already ahead of the game. And TikTok is still in early commercialization. The opportunity is wide open. Let's start with mobile, where 90% of users spend their time. The right side has your engagement bar: like, comment, save, and share. The bottom navigation takes you to home, friends, upload, and messages. Notice TikTok has fewer categories than Douyin. That's because it's still developing its commercial features. Less competition, more opportunity. Your account page has 3 key numbers you need to watch. First, your following count. This affects what content the algorithm shows you. Second, your followers. This is your monetization power. And third, your likes. This measures how well your content performs. But here's the real gem. TikTok lets you add external links in your bio. That means you can link directly to your Amazon store or your own website. Douyin doesn't allow this. Take advantage of it. The Showcase feature is where creators add products from the selection marketplace. If you're a merchant, you can customize your entire product interface. The shop homepage keeps all the essentials: product sizes, colors, and shipping details. And here's what's exciting. TikTok is actively developing these features. We're seeing improvements every month. Now watch this. When you search toys on TikTok, what shows up first? Product cards with prices and discounts. On Douyin, you'd see content first. This tells us TikTok is prioritizing e-commerce in the US market. They want users to buy. As a seller, this is exactly what you want to see. TikTok's product pages are surprisingly complete. You get the price, discount percentage, original price, and full shipping timeline. Compare this to Douyin, which only shows basic info and reviews. TikTok makes it easier for customers to make buying decisions, and that means higher conversion for you. Now let's talk desktop. The PC interface has one killer feature: Explore. This categorizes content by singing and dancing, comedy, sports, and more. Why does this matter? You can see exactly how many likes videos get in each category. Use this to research your competition, find trending content styles, and get ideas for your own videos. This is free market research. The following tab shows content from accounts you follow. Use this to track competitors and potential creator partners. The Friends feature requires mutual follows but unlocks direct messaging and real-time sharing. This is how you build business relationships on TikTok. Quick summary: mobile is better for live streaming, full screen, better engagement. PC is better for research and analytics. You can see video view counts directly. My recommendation: create on mobile, analyze on desktop. That's your complete TikTok interface guide. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more TikTok selling strategies. Drop a comment. What feature surprised you the most? See you in the next one.